race of the weekend at Croft. British F4. Aiden Nissan pole. Second board shown. about to go racing at Croft for the first rounds of the Mini Challenge Trophy. 5 second board is shown. Going to be side by side into the first corner. Forward touch of the gravel. Are we all safely through? Just about safely through. Just about. this could be a quick red flag actually. They've got the car out of the gravel very, very, very quickly. Good job from the marshals. There's a lot of gravel on the track though.
Heavy front end damage. Yeah, he's being shot and moving. Cars will be going back in the pits again.
The tyres might not have cooled down that much actually. It's Dexter. That may just I'm beginning to wonder. Red flag, red flag. For the stricken Dexter Patterson Infinity. It has got going again, so it's going to be another very quick red flag. Well, because the car was in an unsafe place, they flew the red flags, but now Dexter Patterson has got going again.
He's trying to squeeze down the inside and follow the BMW, and he's going to box out the Honda, so he gets ahead of Rowbottom, and then you've got a battle going on just behind between Jake Hill and Ash Sutton going side by side on the run through Clervo and Hawthorne as well. Everybody's safely through there. Find their way through Hawthorne, through the chicane, and look at this for the lead of the race, Colin Turkington, under big pressure here for Dan Lloyd for a race victory here if he can get it, and he's trying to go on the outside of the four-time champion on the way into Tower Bend. That doesn't happen, and be careful there because there's no runoff. He's straight into the field if you get it wrong, but he gets a good cut back on the exit through to the gym block. This is Dan Lloyd. He's going to get the lead of the race here. He's to the lead of the race. Turkington second. Rowbottom is there in third place, and then it's going to be Ingram, followed by Hill, followed by Sutton to round out the top six. But he's made a good start. He's gained 4 places up to 7th place. It's going through Sunny in now, through the middle of the apex, this double apex corner, through Sunny out, accelerating onto the back straight. Now they go. Dan Rowbottom kicking up the dust, trying to hang on to his third place here. In the next race, absolute miracle story this, but we have got drama for Gordon Shedden, who is hobbling along with a broken suspension at the moment. Fifth on the grid, he's just making his way back into the complex now, so Shedden, right at the back of the field, he's going to be. The front left suspension collapsed, and I think he's going to start the back of race too.
I think it's been quite a lot of in that way as well. I saw the car in the background going on the circuit. He's been cautious about this car as well when it comes into pit lane. He's going to turn left. What a straight. Service.
Yeah, absolute shame having had that good qualifying for that 5th place, of course, as well.
Of our drivers on the podium. It is to the winning independent driver coming in 8th place overall, a second independent win of the year for Aidan Moffat. Well done, Aidan. Congratulations. He gets a nice cheer from the crowd and makes his way over to Ed Duffy from Quick Fit to make the presentation. Aidan Moffat, the independent winner for round 13. Well done, Aidan. Congratulations. The next award is the Manufacturer Constructor Award, and the winners are Accelerate Motorsport Hyundai, and to represent them, the team owner, Justina Williams. Well done to the team. It means everything to Justina and everything to the team as well. They rebuilt Dan's car and it wins, and Justina Williams, quite rightly, absolutely delighted, takes the Manufacturer Constructors Award for round 13. On to the top 3 drivers. 3rd place, first podium of the year, Dan Rowbottom. He's been just outside the podium places up until now. Dan Rowbottom, round 13, 3rd step of the podium. Well done, Dan. In 2nd place, what a race it was, Colin Turkington. Colin makes his way up the podium steps, waves to the crowd, gets the 2nd place trophy, and congratulates both of the other drivers already here on the podium. It's a first win of the year for Dan Lloyd. Woo! Come on, Dan! A wonderful moment as Dan Lloyd takes the top step of the podium and holds the trophy high. That means everything.
about to get these leadings underway. The drivers then will have their eyes fixed on the Grand Prix. The red lights come on. The race will get underway. 15 laps about to get underway then. 14 2022 championship. There's the signal. There's the engine notes rising. There's the crescendo of noise. There are the red lights. And here at Croft we go racing for the second time today for the Quick Fit British Touring Car Championship. It's a decent start again for Dan Lloyd. It's a very good start for Colin Turkington, but it's not really good enough to get the lead on the race here. So Dan Lloyd is going to hold the lead into Clervaux. It's going to be Colin Turkington in second, but what about Tom Ingram trying to be in third place here? And he's done it round the outside of Dan Rowbottom at Clervaux. And Tom Ingram straight into third place. He got a big tank slapper on coming out of the turn as he got onto the curbs, but he controlled it and the Hyundai through and into third place and closing up to second position now onto the tail of Colin Turkington. Big gap back to fourth and fifth already with Rowbottom in fourth, fifth place before Jake Hill. Ingram has a little look around the outside. You've got Ash Sutton around the outside of Rory Butcher as well. That's Cavendish on the attack going into Tower Bend a bit further back in the second lap of it. And side by side for second place. Ingram gets the run now coming out of the gym park. He's in the far drop. He's got the nose in front and he's gone through to second place. So Ingram through into second. Turkington from the front row of the grid down to third place. So fourth to second in the first half lap from Tom Ingram. That picking up points he said earlier on today. Well, there's none of that, is there, at the start of this race?
Near.
He's right behind Dan Lloyd, he's right behind Tom Ingram, he's right behind Colin Turkington. So it's pretty high quality midfield there that we've got lined up for this one, and a very high quality front row of the grid with three-time champion Gordon Shedd and Josh Cook along the side. Revs right then, and we're about to go racing for the first time today in the Quick Fit British Touring Car Championship. Round 15 is go, the red lights go out, and off the line pretty well. But Josh Cook is not going to have enough, I think, to attack Gordon Shedd. He's okay off the line as well in the Honda. So it should be Gordon Shedd from Josh Cook into Clervaux at the start of the race. Somebody smoking the tyres there is Aidan Moffat from just behind and inside the top six. And a good start here as well from Rory Butcher, who's clipped away one of the marker bollards. The red and white Toyota goes off the road, cuts through the corner and rejoins, coming through into second place effectively. So he gets ahead then of Josh Cook, and the other one that went off the road, Stephen Jelly, wasn't it? So gives the place back up, I think, sensibly. He lets Josh Cook come back around the outside of him, so he doesn't seem to have gained an advantage there. He's given the place back, I would say, by Rory Butcher there, all the way through the tower. First half of that, and sunny out. On your camera, the view there on the big screen, screaming around the circuit, the Hyundai car number 18 being followed around by the lap of racing. Okay, focus just behind it.
Well guys, what an absolutely magical weekend of racing we have had at Croft. After Alton Park, just 2 weeks before this event at Croft, we had Dan Lloyd and Colin Turkington involved in a very, very serious accident in race 3, which saw Dan Lloyd's and Colin's car being completely destroyed. They were both a bit sore after that incident, and Dan's been working really, really hard to get that car back out. I know the BMW boys as well. They've been working so hard to get Colin back out here at Croft, and they've actually used the 2019 car and they've managed to get that converted to a hybrid car in just 9 days, which is incredible. And Dan Lloyd is struggling with funds at the minute, but he's managed to somehow take 2 victories that weekend, which just shows what an incredible driver he is. He's really got an incredible team behind him with an incredible car. It's just so magical to see him get them 2 results. And, well, a bit unfortunate in race 3 with him pulling out the number 12, which made it very, very difficult for him to make good progress in race 3 and get another good result. But, yeah, mega job from Dan Lloyd and from Colin Turkington. And race one was an absolutely magical race to witness, and I'm so glad that I was there to witness it. And I got a video from the podium as well and got a few pictures as well, so it really was a cool event. And yeah, I can't wait for the rest of the season. Ollie also mentioned that I have this Tingram cap, but I've just ordered a Dan Lloyd racing cap, so that'll be coming pretty soon. So I was showing my support for Dan by purchasing a cap as well. Got a few photos with the drivers as well. You'll see them in a second. And yeah, I absolutely love the BTCC and I can't wait for it to return. That's going to be at Knock Hill on the 30th of July. Be sure to watch it. That'll be on ITV4. But if you did enjoy the video, be sure to smash that like button and be sure to subscribe if you are new around here, and you will get more content just like this. Obviously, I don't go to every race weekend, so you'll get these about once a year where I do these sorts of videos with the cars and things, but I'll be trying to go to other motorsport events as well. And let me know if I should do weekend previews and reviews of BTCC, just to give you a little bit of an insight to what's going on and just explain things in a bit more depth for you guys that maybe don't understand the BTCC as well as other people do. So yeah, I hope you've had a great day. I hope you've had a great weekend as well. I know I certainly have. And yeah, I'll see you all next time.